Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1632, identified as the MTR content signal error, pertains specifically to the 2023 Honda Accord and indicates a failure in the motor control signal. This error is primarily associated with the electric steering lock integrated within the steering column. When the body control module, BCM, receives a failure signal from this component, it interprets this as an abnormal condition and subsequently logs the DTC. Understanding this error is crucial for effective troubleshooting, as it highlights a problem in communication between the BCM and the electric steering lock system. In troubleshooting procedures, it is imperative to isolate the issue to whether it lies in the wiring, the electric steering lock, or the BCM itself. An accurate diagnosis can lead to more efficient repairs, ensuring the vehicle functions correctly without safety concerns related to the steering system. DTC B1632 points to a failure in the motor control signal, which is a critical communication conduit between components. The body control module, BCM, is responsible for overseeing various electronic functions within the vehicle, while the electric steering lock acts as a security mechanism integrated into the steering column to prevent unauthorized vehicle use. When the BCM detects a failure signal from the electric steering lock, it will store the DTC, indicating that an abnormal condition exists. In terms of physical locations, the BCM is typically found within the passenger compartment, while the electric steering lock is integrated with the steering column. Identifying these components and understanding their roles are essential for resolving the error indicated by DTC B1632. The possible causes for the B1632 DTC largely revolve around electrical issues. A shorted signal wire could inadvertently connect the MTR CONT signal to power, leading to a false failure indication. Alternatively, a faulty electric steering lock might fail to respond correctly to the BCM's requests, triggering the error code. Lastly, if both the signal wire and the electric steering lock are functioning properly, the BCM itself could be at fault, possibly due to internal malfunctions. Each of these components plays an integral role in vehicle operation, and understanding these potential failures is crucial for determining the effective course of repairs. When B1632 is triggered, drivers may experience a range of symptoms. One of the most noticeable symptoms is difficulty in steering, which may be due to the electric steering lock engaging improperly and preventing normal steering functionality. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard, particularly those associated with vehicle security and steering systems, may illuminate, serving as visual indicators that an issue exists. Often, this error will also induce a malfunction within the electric steering lock itself, which could either lock the steering wheel or fail to engage as expected. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further complications and ensure timely vehicle repairs. The first troubleshooting step involves confirming the operational status of the vehicle's systems. You will begin by starting the engine and then shutting it off to see if the DTC B1632 reappears. This simple confirmation can help establish whether the issue is temporary or persistent. It's critical to ensure that during this process, all electrical components are functioning normally without any other DTCs present. If the code returns, it indicates that a deeper investigation into the electric steering lock and BCM is necessary. Always start with this fundamental step to isolate the issue effectively. The second step in troubleshooting focuses on inspecting the external circuit associated with the MTR CONT signal. This involves examining involved wiring for potential shorts. The absence of physical damage or miswiring is essential, since any defects can lead to erroneous signals being sent to the BCM. Disconnect the connectors involved and utilize a multimeter to check for continuity and shorts. This inspection validates that the wiring is intact and functioning as intended. A found short could indicate where the issue resides, allowing for targeted repairs to restore functionality and resolve the DTC. In this step, the electric steering lock itself must be tested for proper operation. After connecting the necessary components, measure the voltage output when the ignition is turned on. The expected result is around 1 volt output for a brief period after ignition. If the voltage readings deviate significantly from this standard, it indicates a potential malfunction within the electric steering lock. Any irregular voltage could hinder communication with the body control module, leading to the DTC being triggered. This analysis serves to further isolate the issue and prepare for potential replacement of the component if necessary. The final troubleshooting step concentrates on the body control module itself. If previous steps revealed no issues with either the wiring or the electric steering lock, the BCM must be evaluated for faults. This module is central to vehicle electronic systems, and any failures here can lead to extensive problems. Inspect the BCM for physical damage, corrosion, or connectivity issues with the connectors. If it is determined that the BCM is at fault, replacing it is often the final solution to resolving DTC B1632. Ensuring that the module is functioning properly is essential for the overall integrity of all electrical systems in the vehicle. After completing all repairs related to DTC B1632, it is critical to verify successful resolution. Begin by rechecking for any remaining or returning DTCs to confirm that the error has been fully cleared. It may also be beneficial to perform a test drive to ensure proper functionality of the electric steering lock and overall steering system. Look for any abnormal behaviors that may still indicate undiagnosed issues. This thorough verification step is vital to ensuring that your troubleshooting and repairs have effectively resolved the issue, allowing the vehicle to operate without further complications. Keep proper records of the repairs made and monitor the vehicle's performance closely following the repair. Although preventive maintenance isn't specifically referenced, it's beneficial to incorporate regular inspections into routine vehicle care, especially concerning the body control systems and steering components. Regularly checking electrical connections and wiring for integrity can help prevent future occurrence of issues like DTC B1632. Ensure that any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage are addressed promptly. Keeping a log of maintenance activities, including inspections of these key areas, can aid in catching problems early before they escalate. Additionally, be proactive about software updates or recalls related to the body control module or electric steering lock systems, as manufacturers often optimize these aspects. In summary, diagnosing and repairing DTC B1632 involves a systematic approach that examines various components related to the body control module and the electric steering lock. First, it is necessary to start with basic operational checks before moving to detailed inspections of wiring and parts. Each troubleshooting step must be followed meticulously to ensure that issues are fully identified and resolved, preventing unnecessary replacements. Final verification of repair success is crucial to maintain vehicle performance and safety. Regular preventive maintenance can further aid in reducing the likelihood of recurring problems. Understanding the correlation between these components enhances overall system knowledge and promotes effective vehicle upkeep. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.